If you know me and you know what I do, you may know that I'm a bit of a memer. I like to make funny things for the sake of simply it's funny. Whether that be a goofy looking piston door or even a resource pack. In this example, it is a resource pack. I have made probably the best resource pack period ever. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. This is the pinnacle of Minecraft resource packs, and I'm just gonna show it to you today. Hey, that's not right. So I've made, like, the most hilarious pack ever. You're gonna love this. I changed a very specific sound. If you can tell what I'm doing, you've probably guessed what sound I changed. It's the hit sound. Ow! 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 Hey. Ow! 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 Don't you love it? Ow! 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 Don't you love it? These are all actually screams from my Skywars Classic video. Ow! Ow! Oh, he's gone. Ow! 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 It's an aesthetic pack, I swear. I had to re-record this like 3 times because OBS fucked up my game audio. I'm gonna try a game of Hive Skywars with this pack. I've actually played like 15 already, but you know. Thanks, OBS. Oh, it's fucking ivory. God damn it. I don't mind this map as much as I used to. Mostly just because any Skywars map can be annoying. That's so stupid. Ow! 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 Oh. Okay. Ow! 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 Shit. Ow! 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 Okay, whatever. Ow! Ow! You have good shit. Ow! 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 Damn it. Ow! Ow! Okay, that's fine. I'm just built different. Proceeds to walk off the map. Oh shit, I was right. Oh, you heard it. I fucking heard it. That was amazing. This might be the best resource pack I've ever made in my life. Oh my god, leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, I don't remember you. You're a random fucking person. Please leave me alone. Ow! It's so good. This is the best thing I've ever made in my entire life. Nothing is topping this. Ow! Ow! This is the pinnacle of Minecraft. Minecraft was made for creative expression. This is some pretty fucking creative expression if I do say so myself. Ow! 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 He just took his fucking helmet off. What is he doing? Ow! 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 These are so good.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Come here.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Fire sword.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh my god. Good fight, good fight, good fight. For real. I'm not just saying that to say that. That was actually peak. Holy. Yeah, if I just killed that guy, I think I'm winning the game. Because he seemed like the most competent player, and if you beat the most competent player in a game, you're probably gonna win as long as you're competent yourself. Funny.
Ow!
I want that sword that you have there.
Ow!
Bingle bongle dingle dangle. Bow spam.
Ow! Ow!
Yeah, you should not have done that, buddy. Oh my god. Well, that's GG's and GV. Good video. I will get this out in like... some amount of time ever. Yeah. If you liked, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, join my Discord server. And with that, I'm out. See ya.